it back to the hotel.
No, we wouldn't be able to. We were out. You got a drink.
Yeah?
Is it only half a liter?
Yeah.
And as we were walking down, you were gonna have some squid balls. Was that it?
Yeah.
And what happened was that, well, it started pouring down again. So
You jinxed it.
I jinxed it. Big time. Right next to the 7-Eleven that is in that video with that Lisa.
Yeah?
7-Eleven is right here. Like it's literally right here. It is coming down pretty heavy now. Yeah. So I wanted to run for it. Kye said no, and I think that was a good idea. And the good news is now we're stuck here for about an hour. So what are we doing now, baby? Okay, because you were supposed to get it down at your favorite place, and well, the rain happened. Still raining, pouring down. So here are the squid balls.
It's alright.
Yeah? Not as good as the other ones? So we just couldn't wait in the rain anymore, and we just ran for it. That is, we ran to a taxi 2 meters away, and now we're in the taxi. So that was great.